Hi Andrew, sorry about the videos without sound. I'm just going to show you quickly what this thing is. Also, it'd be really cool if you uploaded all your stuff. Don't worry about the ones that are missing. I can fill those in. I've just been busy with other things, trying to get some work finished. Um, so this is your tester. Now you can't do brackets within brackets after all. Sorry about that. But I think this can just about do everything you could think of, or anything I can think of at the moment anyway. Let me just talk you through it. So this is the rule, and this is what it's going to test against first. So let's see that. So there it is, that rule works. And then it does up to 10,000 random other ones until it's got 9 matches in total. So if we made this a little rarer, like 27 at the end, we wouldn't get very many of them. Oh yeah, because there's already a 7 in there, so it would never happen. So there we go. So now we've got, 100,000, and then we've got 6 hits out of 100,000. So 100,000, this is the wrong way around, isn't it? It should be 6 out of 100,000. But anyway, you get the idea. So here's the 27 at the end, 27 at the end, and then within the first 4, there's 1 and 3. There's 1 and 3, there's 1 and 3, there's 1 and 3, there's 1 and 3, and there's 1 and 3. So to sort of give you an idea of what your rule will match. So I'll just run through all the things you can do quickly. So star will just match everything, anything you pick at all. Say 1 star means they started with a 1. 9 would be ending with a 9. 2. So for the 3, so now there's 1, and then somewhere in the middle here there's a 2 and 3. Okay. Now, as we discussed, square brackets with a star. Basically, this wouldn't do anything, so that just gets replaced with that anyway. Because what's the point? We might get replaced with that. Okay, so let's do. Say this is, we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in order, and there they are. And I think we can just about squeeze on 7 before it stops working altogether. Yeah, there we go. So there we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is basically just saying them in order. Right, and then so we've got our out of order things using the now obviously that won't match anything because there's no there's nothing that's just 7 characters long. The randomization uses all 15 characters all the time, so if I put a star in there, there we go. So you can see the first 7 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are in there. And if you only wanted the ones ending in E, I think it's case sensitive. Yeah. So anyway, the reason why I've made this is because I'm going to mix this in with the color matching program along with your results from the Drupal site where you can enter the data, and then we'll have a self-contained application that will give a free reading, which means once someone's downloaded the page, they can pick their colors and get a free reading and have a link to the site where they can buy a reading from you very simply without needing to load Drupal or anything. Right, so what else can you do? Oh, you can put question marks in there, and that will mix things up more. Obviously, it needs to give every single combination of all of them, so the more you do, the longer it will take to process. As you can see, this is pretty much probably going to time out soon. See what the CPU's doing. Oh, no, it's loading. Alright, so it thinks it's crashed it, and I'll say wait. Carry on for a bit. So if you do a rule that takes a long time to test or create, then it's maybe not a very good thing. Let's see if I can stop that from. There we go. Kill page, reload. Okay. Yeah, so this creates a rule with all combinations. So if I just show you how that works. So now I'm just inspecting an element because I've got this to print out. When it gets the right answer, it tells me what was going on at the time. So this is the actual regular expression that it used. As you can see, it's quite simple really. It's just starts with bracket, and then it's got all combinations of where you'd have 1 and 2 together throughout, and then ending in anything, dot anything, which means repeated anything, and it matches that and so on. So if I added another number in here, say 3, and that, and now you can see the regular expression has got a little bit longer. Now add 4, and the regular expression is now a bit longer, and so on. So if you just want something that starts with something with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ending in 5, 6, 7, 8, it might be better to use stars because those regular expressions are a little bit simpler. So it's just anything 1, anything 2, anything 3, anything 4, anything, or anything 1, anything 2, anything 4, anything 3. As you can see, it tries out every single combination possible, and then says or 6, 7, 8 star 6, 8, 7, 7, 6, 8, 7, 8, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. So that's all the combinations of those three. And I think it could still give you a useful result. And you could even say somewhere in the middle there 5, or even and there we go. So you've got anything with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 5 in there somewhere. And again, show question marks. So question marks take a little bit longer to process, but now we know that it's definitely going to be the 5th character that has, sorry, 6th character that always has the 5 in there. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 before it and 7, 8 at the end. And if you definitely want it to end in a particular number, stick it there. And if your rule's not too complicated, oh, it's found 2 already, but it's still working on the other side. Looks like it's only found 2. So the first 5 characters are 1, 2, 3, 4 and something else like T or Y. Then we have the 5th character. Then 6, 6, 7 and 8. They're in there somewhere. Ending with a 9. So yes, please fill out your database in any way you like. If you want to do it in Google Docs in a spreadsheet, that's fine. But I could copy that into this just as easily as getting it out of Drupal. Good luck.